Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It has many skin-caring benefits, which makes it an important ingredient for our skin. It's soluble in water, which makes it a perfect ingredient for all skin types. Niacinamide helps in moisturizing the skin, and it reduces the sign of aging and improves skin condition. The best way to use niacinamide on skin is using it in a form of a serum. Serums contain higher concentrations of active ingredients when compared to other types of products. This is why niacinamide serums are one of the best options for skincare. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best niacinamide serums, which will take care of your skin problems and make you beautiful and confident. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Our facial skin faces the highest amount of pollution, which results in dull skin. It's important to restore the glow for a great look every day. The Bliss Glow and Hydrate Day Serum will ensure the restoration of glow and make your skin healthy again. This serum contains the goodness of niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide helps to rejuvenate your skin while reducing the appearance of blemishes and retaining moisture. These 2 ingredients work together to hydrate and replenish your skin. It has an antioxidant-rich formula which improves moisture barrier and prevents water loss. The serum diminishes pores and improves dullness as well. The Bliss Glow and Hydrate Day Serum is a popular product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it works quite well and makes your skin look great, but some users complain that the product didn't work for them. Let's check out the ratings for this niacinamide serum. Sensitive skin needs extra care as it can be irritated easily, so it's important to make sure that the product you're using is the one for you. The costly Baha Niacinamide Serum is a great option for your sensitive skin, which promises to take care of your skin problems. It contains 10% niacinamide, pure hyaluronic acid, 1% zinc PCA, and licorice. The niacinamide and hyaluronic acid helps to fight wrinkles and protect your skin from UV rays. It also has allantoin, which works great on acne and other skin issues. This serum makes your skin firm and works great on aging signs. It diminishes pores and minimizes redness, giving you a balanced skin tone. It also diminishes the appearance of hyperpigmentation, giving your skin a youthful glow. This serum is free from harsh chemicals and it's quite gentle and safe enough for daily use. The costly Baha Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. The review says it all. This serum works great on skin issues and makes your skin beautiful, although some users complain that they didn't notice any improvement. Time to check out the ratings. Maintaining a good skin is not difficult if you have the right options at hand. The Paula's Choice 10% Niacinamide Booster is a serum which can easily be included in your daily routine, and it will give you benefits like never before. It contains 10% niacinamide, which helps to minimize pores and prevents moisture loss. Allantoin and licorice extract soothe sensitive skin and reduce redness. Vitamin C helps to brighten uneven skin tone and take care of your aging problems. This serum can be mixed with other skincare products for better results. It makes your skin brighter and younger. The serum also works to reduce roughness and dryness. It's suitable for all skin types. The product is lightweight and it's paraben and fragrance free as well. The Paula's Choice 10% Niacinamide Booster has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, the serum moisturizes your skin and works great on pores, but some users were unsatisfied with the consistency of the serum. Let's check out the ratings for this niacinamide serum. The InstaNatural 5% Niacinamide Serum is a great option for you if you're looking for a serum which will improve your skin condition and take care of your aging signs. It contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, avocado oil, and rosemary extract. The niacinamide takes care of your skin barrier and reduces discoloration. The hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and take care of signs of aging, and vitamin E provides antioxidants, while avocado oil and rosemary extract nourish and support inflammatory balance of your skin. This serum fights against breakouts and gives your skin a youthful glow. It reduces the appearance of pores and makes your skin firm. It also improves your skin aging problems quite well. The serum is perfect for all types of skin. It's free from unsafe ingredients, which makes it a great choice for you. The InstaNatural 5% Niacinamide Serum is a great product and it's earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product takes care of your skin problems and makes your skin soft and smooth, but some users complained of facing breakouts after using the serum. Time to check out their ratings. Our skin often faces tone imbalances, which is a great issue for many women. Other skin issues make the skin dull and irritated. The ordinary niacinamide serum is specially formulated for taking care of your skin tone and getting rid of irritation. It has high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. The zinc PCA in the serum works as an anti-inflammatory ingredient, which treats burns and scars and fights against free radicals. This serum contains high concentration of active ingredients. It's great for oily skin and it minimizes the appearance of pores. The serum helps in the production of collagen, giving you a younger looking, beautiful skin. It's free from harmful ingredients, making it a great option for your skin. The ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% is one of the most popular niacinamide serums among its users, and it's earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product for skin benefiting features. It works great on acne as well. But some users complain that the product didn't work on their skin. Let's check out the ratings for the niacinamide serum. So those are our 5 best niacinamide serums. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.